Man, I don't know why Park Ranger LB gets to go on vacation, and I gotta dig up dinosaur bones. Oh, ooh, hey, what's that? I think that could be an egg of some sort. Let's dig it up and see if it's a dinosaur egg. Here we go. Hey, I think it is a dinosaur egg. Awesome. Check that out. I wonder what kind of dinosaur that is. We'll have to take it back to the lab and find out. I wonder what else is in here. More dinosaurs? Start digging and see. Hey, what's that? Hey, this looks like a fossilized dinosaur poo. Oh, man. It's not dino poo. That's dog poo. That dog must have done that one. Let's see if there's any more dino. Ooh, I think I see another egg in here. Let's dust it off. Yeah. Hey, I think I see a dinosaur in there. We can get it. Oh, there we go. Awesome. It's another dinosaur. Not sure which one this is either. I have an idea, but I'll take it back to the lab to confirm. Let's see what else is in here. See, could be another egg over here. Dude, I don't want to break it. Let me get the old brush. Dust it off. There we go. It looks like another dinosaur egg. Awesome. I think that's a little baby T-Rex in there. Cool. I'll have to get that back to the lab too. I think Park Ranger LB is going to be jealous. Let's see if we have any other eggs in this hole. No, let's keep going and see if there's anything more around here. Ooh, hey, I think there could. Oh, I see something. Hey, what on earth is this in here? Hey, do I get it? Oh, what on earth is this? What kind of dinosaur comes in a Babies R Us bag? Hey, it's an Indominus Rex toy. Cool. Let's open this bad boy up. All right, there's our Indominus Rex. He pushes his tail and he chomps. His arms and his legs move. And it looks like somebody took a big bite out of this guy. This will be a great addition to our Jurassic World collection. What else do we have? Is that it in that hole? I think so. Grab my tools. See if we have any other surprises around here. Ooh, what's this? I think I feel something in there. Something big. What is it? Wow, it's another bag. Gee whiz, this one is huge. Woo. I think we hit the mother load on this one. Find the edges. There we go. Okay. Get this. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. All right, what do we have? It's a T-Rex skeleton kit. Awesome. A mighty T-Rex model kit. Cool. Let's go put it together. Check out the EduScience Lab Mighty T-Rex model kit. This thing is awesome. It's huge. It's like 30 inches from one end to the other. This is going to look so awesome up on the shelf in the lab. I can't believe Park Ranger LB went on vacation and missed us discovering an entire T-Rex skeleton. This is so cool. Arr! If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe using that red button down below.